Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a VW Golf key battery. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. It's always a good idea to double-check your current battery's type to ensure you have the correct replacement. A clean, well-lit area will also make this process much easier. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button on the side and pulling out the emergency mechanical key. With the key removed, you'll see a small seam around the perimeter of the fob. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this seam, near where the emergency key was. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves of the fob apart, taking care not to damage the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Most commonly, the positive side will be visible. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new battery into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Then, slide the emergency mechanical key back into its compartment. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. You should see a small light illuminate when you press a button. For more great tips and product recommendations, like the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.